So, hello everyone. Today we're going to Catalina's Falls.
Oh, can you say something, please?
Let's go. So guys, niabot namin diri sa falls, Catalina Falls. And wala siya eh. Wala yung mga tao din. So, kita-kita. Okay, let's go down. So, kita may galagian dere guys. But we're not sure if it's safe. Or maubad yun niya ang alagihan pa down. Padong sa lalom. So, itry ni Vanya. Bantay.
Okay.
So, we try to go down, pero wala mi nakita ang dalan. Actually, nasa dalan, pero lisod kaayo. So, balik na lang mi diri sa ka. And now, enjoy na lang naman diri sa taas. Mangita mi og place kung asa mi pwede makaligo.
It's a very bad way down, but the next time I come here, I'll take a rope, a ride. And there you can go down. A very bad breed. If you grab it, it breaks and you can fall. So it's not very safe to go down without shore. We're going down now. Well, at least I will go down so as not to be sent away. Here, to find out the bottom, because without knowing the bottom, I don't jump. Dad, I found you a dog. Here it is, Pesa. Here you go. Come on, Pesa, where is he, Dad?
Okay, so nangita mig lugar nga kaliguan guys. Hindi may katos lalo, man. Sarado ang maligo. Hike lang mi og gamay. And I think diretso maligo ang ibang mga tao kay. My God guys. Mga dagan kayong basura. Please guys, be responsible enough. Kung mato mo isa ka place gali, please, o kung usa yung gidala, ibalik po nagdala guys. Ayaw na ibilin sa naning nga lugar. Sayang ang lugar, and also please take care of the nature. And guess what? I saw 10 pesos. Pero daghan kay siyang basura guys. So please be responsible sa inyong mga basura.
After a couple of days, we decided to go upstream and find a couple more waterfalls there. No, it's still going on. Upstairs, we found a couple more natural pools. This is how the vine feeds. Or a tree. Well, this concludes our sortie. Thank you all for your attention. Subscribe to the channel, like it, and see you soon.